What's going on, everyone? It's Max with Trades back with another video. Today I'll be going over how I lost 67 chill dollars trading the Nasdaq on the paper account. As you guys can see here, here's the money we lost. So to be honest, today was a pretty interesting day. It was pretty unproductive, and I wasn't really active or as attentive as I should have been trading this while I was taking this trade. But overall, I'm not too mad at this. We do have two losses in a row, which is pretty annoying. But I'm not too mad at this trade at all because I think it was a good setup. Maybe just like in terms of like my technicality, I should have been more focused in determining my bias. But anyway, let's hop on to it. So on the 4 hour time frame, on like the higher time frames, we were pretty much at these all-time highs, right? And like we were like here, right? Again, we were like 7 p.m. We're like here, okay? We weren't at all-time highs yet. Like we were looking to all-time highs. We weren't at all-time highs. So I saw that we filled this hourly FVG, and we had this 4 hour bullish FVG that was unfilled. So I thought we would take shorts down in there and go back up. But I think this is where I got caught lacking. Like I was doing my English project while writing this up, and I had to go clean my dad's car during basically 7 to 7:30. So I was like super, like I was not focused at all, and this is a big mistake. Like I'm now looking back on it, like while I'm recording this, I'm like, why the fuck would I take shorts at all-time highs? Once again, that's kind of how I lost last time. First of all, why I'm taking shorts at all-time highs, and the second fact being was like, look, we had this hourly FVG, like literally over here. Wait, I'll show you guys. This hourly FVG here, right? And we literally filled it the hour before Asia opened. This is where Asia opens here. We filled it right here. Like we literally filled this entire gap. So why would he continue going lower? We filled and respected it. The candle goes up here. So that's totally my fault. My bias is fucked from the beginning. But let's not carry that error through. Let's actually, when we analyze this trade, let's just think about, okay, what really happened. So basically today we had Trump talking as well at 7. And as you can see, it didn't really do much. 7 was like right here. We just kind of dicked low. Oh, you didn't dick. You just kind of went lower for a bit. And eventually we had this big up move, like this big skyrocketing up move. So I'll show you in 1 minute as well. So we had this big up move here. And yeah, we came up and we took out this high over here, this 5 minute/1 minute high over here. You can see we took it out like this. Took the 5 minute as well. As you can see, high was taken out once again over here. Take out this full high over here, right? But let's go back. Let's check on the S&P. There was an SMT. The reason I'm marking out because we had SMT. So here, as you can see, at the same time, we were below these highs. This high was not closed above at the same time. We wicked above it. We did not close above it. Actually, we didn't even wick above this point. We just wicked into this high. Like pretty much made it equal highs. We did not close above it. So that gave me a bearish SMT. So that really gave me all I need to know. Like, because at this point, remember, before it was like I was dumb and I wasn't paying attention, so I was like, oh, I didn't even pre that we were all-time highs. We're like, unfilled 4 hour gap. Oh shit, unfilled 4 hour gap to the downside, looking for shorts. 5 minute liquidity sweep, basically because we took out all these highs, right? Took out these resting. So 1 minute kind of these resting highs over here. On the 5 minute, we can check this as well. On the 5 minute, like all of this liquidity up here at this high was taken out, right? So in my mind, I'm thinking like all this liquidity here was taken out, right, by this up move. So in my mind, I'm thinking, bro, we got 5 minute SMT, 5 minute liquidity sweep, and we have a 4 hour unfilled bullish FVG to the downside. I'm thinking about taking shorts. So I literally go on the 1 minute and I see, okay, bang, we come down, inverse this 1 minute gap, right? As soon as we inverse, I enter. I put a limit order right before the inverse or sell stop order, and we triggered that, and we ended up kind of going low. I was planning to take break evens at. I should have took break evens. Like again, I was not paying attention. Like when I got back on, like I got the notification. I executed the trade, just like bet whatever. And I was cleaning the car, Then I finished like cleaning one of the rims. I gave a rim job. Chill. Like I was doing a rim job on the car. Chill. And then looked at my phone and I was like, okay, it was like 3 minutes after I entered or so 4 minutes after. I just see this bullish candle forming here and I'm like, fuck. Because I knew I should have exited. I mean, I should have been aware here. I should have been aware that like we respect this bullish FEG multiple times. I'm like, bro, it's going to go back up. And then my dumbass was like, you know what, fuck it. I just put the phone back in my pocket. I'm like, let's let it ride and see what happens. But like, then again, it's not good to exit your trade early. But like, that's low-key just dumb. Like, that was just dumbass for me. Like, I feel like I'm too good to be making these dumbass mistakes, bro. Like, my analysis, like, they're so dumb. Like, dead ass, like, I don't know what I was doing. Bro, this English project got me fucked up. I finished it, though, but, like he finished, like, 20 minutes before this, like, right before it was due. Me and ChatGPT locked in. But, like, bro, dead ass, like, I don't know what the fuck I was doing. I saw all-time highs. I don't know. First of all, I shorted all-time highs. Second of all, I see this 1 minute FVG being respected 50 times, and I still keep my position inside. Like, I at least gone break even, bro. I'm actually dumbass. But, whatever. It's whatever. Two losses in a row. You got me fucked up right here, bro. We'll see. Trade tomorrow. I'm trading New York. Hopefully you have a turnaround. Because remember last week on Monday we made like 250 trading New York, so it was like a really good day. So hopefully you like repeat the cycle type shit. But yeah, account balance basically a little under 1,500 right now. We were basically at 1,600 at one point. So we lost. I think we made like 100 this week. So we'll see. We'll see how it works tomorrow. We see how it plays out. I'm gonna back this a little after this and have to work on my agency as well. But I feel like I need to do more in terms of like my goals. I'm lacking. I feel like I'm just slacking and lacking. I got distracted and went out too many times this week. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my best to get back on the grind, and we'll see where it goes from there. But anyway, that's enough for today, and that's Max's Trades out.